YouTubers, it's me Kurt, and just back for a short video. Hope it's okay. I will be doing an upcoming video soon. I've just been so busy. I've been on vacation and I've been doing other things, and so I've been busy lately. I was thinking of doing a video when on vacation, but I didn't find time for it, I'm afraid. But I will do Rich from Rich Man Shaving, or the group on Facebook. He tagged me in a fancy pants, I think it was. So maybe I will do that, because I've been in this group. Sometimes I'm not so super active, but sometimes I comment or join. They have live videos there too. But anyway, I wanted to show you some of the new and upcoming razors I will be using later. Just use my glasses. So we got we got this see, Gillette. It's a Gillette handle, very nice knurling, or what you call it. It has the diamond Gillette logo, but the head is supposedly, or supposed to be, Rotbart. It's also a brand. And some say some of these came like this with this head. And I got purchased this yesterday for 100 Norwegian crowns. How much that is in dollars or whatever, I'm not sure right now. Exactly. You can Google it if you want. But I got it cheap, but no box. So that's nice. Looking razor. Just clean it, washed it, and put it in alcohol. So there's that. It used to belong to a guy who worked on the North Sea, and also seemed to be working offshore or something like that. But he preferred really aggressive razors. And compared to me, I'm not super fan of aggressive razors. Some I like, some open combs. So that's that. And I got the package today. I did a trade with a shaving brush I have that I use for travel, and I got this Matador Bakelite razor, safety razor, rak hivel, shaving razor, without tags, it says, and number is M113. It comes in this box. Fabrique Swede, it means it's made in Sweden. And they used to produce razors in Halmstad, and as far as I remember, they were bought up by some American company or something like that, and moved out maybe to Netherlands, I think it was. I don't exactly remember, but I think it was that. So it's a Bakelite, you know, the plastic that was invented a long time ago. Has the thing in there. Yep. And Bakelite, but the head or the top cap is metal. So I will be using that soon. I hope it's a good razor. I know Bakelite razors. There are many use them. I know Bakelite razors. There are many. Even the Razor Rock has one, I think, as far as I remember. So the Matador, good old company in Sweden. So that's that. I also got some other razors I bought quite cheap. Tack and another tack I can show you in another video. It's not so interesting. So take care, everybody, and I hope it will be better in America soon. Now I know it's a lot been going on there, and it's sad. But of course, I don't live in America, so I don't know everything about it. I heard about the Floyd. What was his name? George Floyd or something. It's really sad. So, and it's tough times with the COVID-19 also. Hopefully it's coming or will pass. It's more open here in Norway now, but still there is many people who still has it, or something like that. Don't always have time to watch or pay attention to how many is infected or all of that right now. So take care, stay safe, and enjoy your shaves. And may all have solid shaves. Bye now.